All right, hey, we're working on a 1986 Mazda b2000. My dash lights weren't working, so I'm going to tell you what to do to fix that, okay? We're going to take off this bezel right here. There's screw 1, 2, 3, and screw 4. And I'll pop that off, and we'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, I have the screws out. We're just going to pull this bezel out like that. And you'll see that it's wired back here. We're just going to release this clip and get this out of the dimmer switch here. Okay, so we got the bezel off and we got the dimmer switch disconnected. Okay. To test your dimmer switch, let's just make sure the dimmer switch is working. All you do is take a piece of wire, stick it right there, stick it into the other side, and turn your headlights on. If your dash lights turn on when you turn the headlights on, you know this switch is good, okay? And mine works now, okay? It wasn't working earlier today though, because I realized this fuse down here, okay, this number 10 is for the rear brake lights. All right, that fuse was blown. So I replaced it, and the rear tail lights work, and now my dash lights work, okay? So what you need to do is check all of your fuses, okay, to make sure they're all working, but specifically this one, for some reason, has something to do with your dash lights and your rear tail lights, okay? And I'll link a picture at the end of this video to show you what amp fuse should be in all of these and what it controls. Okay, thanks for watching.